Hey everyone, you are on the Proxy-Seller channel. My name is Max, and in this video I will show you how to set up a proxy in the Dashe Sneaker Bot. The procedure is done quite simply. Run the program. Select the Proxies tab at the bottom. In the open window, you can set your proxies and check if they work. Don't forget to click Save after making changes. So, enter the name of the proxy in the first field. Below, you have a field for entering a proxy list or just a single one. It all depends on how many proxies you have and plan to use. Set proxy as shown in the example. If you are going to configure free proxies, then type it in such format: IP:/proxy port. If you have a personal proxy, then this format will work for you: IP:/proxy port:/ username:/ password. After entering the data of the proxy, they will appear in the field and you can test them for performance. This is important because free proxies are often banned, and if during operations it turns out that your proxy is not working, then questions may arise about your IP when the program performs the task. To avoid such situations, it is recommended to get a reliable personal proxy, and for this there is an excellent resource, Proxy-Seller.com. Reliable proxies guarantee anonymity and security when working on the network and provide round-the-clock support. The link will be in the description. When proxies have been checked and the result is working, go to the Tasks Creation tab. In addition to other parameters of the task that you choose, select a configured proxy in the Proxy Details section at the bottom. Done! The proxy is set and bound to the task. That's all for now. See you guys in the next video.